Come test drive the 2019 Buick Enclave. The Enclave offers 3 rows of seats standard with seating for up to 8 passengers. Not only is it roomy and stylish, but Buick really did its homework on this vehicle. They did not cut any corners and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 7,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, heated side mirrors, power mirrors, traction control, intermittent wipers, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, power brakes, power driver mirrors, leather seats. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
A GM-certified used vehicle can deliver more satisfaction and certainty than any ordinary used vehicle. With our thorough inspection, GM warranty, free vehicle history report, and more. You can expect it all from a GM-certified used vehicle. GM-certified means no